Getting your G1 license in Ontario is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow the steps carefully. Here's a simple guide to help you through it. Eligibility requirements. First, you need to be at least 16 years old. If you've just moved to Ontario, you'll also need to prove that you live here. You'll also need identification like a birth certificate or passport to prove your age and identity. Step 1. Study the Driver's Handbook. The Ontario Driver's Handbook is essential for passing your G1 written test. It covers road signs, traffic laws, and safe driving tips. Take the time to read through it thoroughly. You can get it online or as a physical booklet, and it's your best tool for preparing. Step 2. Gather your documents. You'll need your ID and, if necessary, proof of Ontario residency, like a utility bill or lease agreement. Having these ready before you go to the DriveTest Center will save you time. Step 3. Visit a DriveTest Center. Next, go to your local DriveTest Center. You can't book an appointment for the G1 test, so be prepared for a wait. To avoid long lines, arrive early in the day. DriveTest centers operate on a first-come, first-served basis. Step 4. Pay the fees. At the center, you'll pay the G1 application fee, which includes the written test and your license. You can pay with cash, debit, or credit. Be sure to keep your receipt. Step 5. Take the vision test before the written test. You'll take a quick vision test to make sure your eyesight meets the driving standard. If you wear glasses or contacts, bring them with you. Step 6. Write the G1 test. The G1 test has 2 parts, one on road signs and another on rules of the road. It's a multiple-choice test, and you need to pass both sections. The test is done on a computer, so read the questions carefully and take your time. Step 7. Get your temporary G1 license. If you pass the test, you'll receive a temporary G1 license right away. Your official G1 card will arrive in the mail in a few weeks. The temporary license lets you start practicing driving, but remember you need to follow G1 restrictions like driving with a fully licensed driver and not driving late at night. That's it. You've got your G1 license. Now practice safe driving so you can eventually move on to the next step in getting your full G license.